Have you ever wondered how these advanced-looking motion graphics are created? There are several social media videos use advanced motion graphics to give a detailed explanation, and guess what? They are not so difficult to create. You can create these graphics within less than 60 seconds. And no, this is not some clickbait I'm trying to fool around. Have you ever used After Effects and see how long and tiring to create one single advanced motion graphics actually take? It can take up to several hours to perfect and polish a single motion. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal the exact AI tool that helped these creators create these stunning motion graphics in their videos. This AI tool is actually scarily good. It knows what their creators exactly want, and also it can differentiate between documentaries, social edits, and many more. By the way, this is not a sponsored video if you are wondering. This tool is just insane, and I'm amazed on how good it operates. Without further ado, let's get started. The tool is called Hera, and today I'm going to show you exactly what it can do. From zero to finished motion graphic in just a few clicks. Let's test it out. So, basically Hera is like ChatGPT, but for motion graphics. Anyways, first things first, you need to open an account with Hera. Once you've done that, you're met with a clean, distraction-free interface. There's a video which gives you a quick demo. You can watch it if you want. But honestly, you don't need it because you are about to see it in action. We can click these 3 lines here, and we can go into Explore to see what people are creating with this tool. We can see that there are a ton of cool motion graphics created, which we see almost every day on the content we consume. So this is all very easy to create. And here you can see that we have some templates. But before we go exploring the templates, we can create our own templates, which is amazing. Let's start creating. Here you will find a rectangular box to write in your prompt. Just type in what you want the animation to look like. That's it. It's very simple, but it's very powerful. As I said, it's like ChatGPT, but for motion graphics. You can also upload reference images in this icon here, custom SVGs if you're working with logos or icons, or even CSV files if you want to animate actual data like graphs or infographics. At the top section, you've got your basic settings. Change the duration anywhere from a quick 5-second pop to a full 60-second animation. Set the aspect ratio to vertical, square, widescreen, whatever suits your project. Adjust the background color on the fly. You can even tweak the position of each element after it's generated if you want to fine-tune things. You don't need to design anything yourself. Make sure you give a detailed prompt to get insane results. The composition, the animation, the timing, everything. This tool is built for speed, which brings us to the real test. Let's see how Hera stacks up when we try to recreate viral animations that have millions of views. There is one viral YouTube channel called Vox. They have a unique editing style with their motion graphics simple but recognizable. That clean, minimal Vox-style animation. If you've watched any of their explainer videos, you know the look. Highlighted text, soft motion, subtle emphasis. It's minimal but polished. And if you tried to recreate it in After Effects, it's going to take you a whole afternoon. Whereas with Hera, they have an already made template you can use for this type of effect. So that's easy. First, let us explore this tool campus. Head over to Templates and choose one. The template you want to use to going with this market share graphics. Next, we're going to create viral graphics about digital streaming platforms. So here's what I did. I typed in create a market share of different digital streaming platforms between Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, and Apple TV. Hit enter. And within seconds, I had a motion graphic. This is amazing. Look how accurate are all the motions. It looks amazing. You can make changes to it though. Just click this arrow on top left here and just click what you want to change. For example, the font color here. You can change shape, for example. And look how fast you can make the change. You can position it by clicking and holding. You can change the transparency. You can change background also. A lot you can do with this tool. You can also change the ratio, and it will automatically resize. This tool is easy to use with just simple prompt. You can create amazing results. Once you are done, just click Export here, and you have 360p, 720p, 1080p, and 4K resolution. Then you have an option to export it with or without the background, which is a great feature. You have different formats here, and also the frame rate. Select what you need. Hit Export, and in seconds, we'll show you this part where you can download the video. As you can see, this entire process took less than 1 minute. Whereas, if you used After Effects, it will take layers and hours of creation. But we're just getting started because in our next step, we are going to try Hera using actual data and see its results. If you're still watching and find this video helpful, then please hit the subscribe button and leave a thankful emoji in the comments down below. So in our next step, I'm going to test Hera and see if it can handle something a little more technical, like graph animations. Next, head over to ChatGPT and type in, "Can you write me 5 interesting facts about Africa?" And boom, here we have 5 interesting facts. 1. Africa is the cradle of humanity. It is a home to the world's largest river, and so on. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, can you make a graph of 10 countries that Africa would leave behind if it were a country in terms of tourism? Here we have the graph prepared from ChatGPT with correct numbers. Download it and also copy the name of the graph. Now let's go back to Hera. Click on these 3 lines here and let's now explore the templates. I need infographics for this one, so I'll just click infographics here. And look how many cool graphics we have here. I'm going to select this one to test it out. Click on it. Now here, let's upload the image we downloaded from ChatGPT and also paste the name that we copied to. Hit generate and boom, here we have the perfect graphic. Look how good it turned out. This is perfect. This data is from year 2019. All the countries are listed below, and on the left corner, it shows the population. Millions of people toured in each country. Also, on the top right corner, there are 2 colored symbols indicating the difference between Africa and other countries. All right, we have reached the end of today's tutorial for the new AI tool, Hera. This tool will give you so much freedom and will save you time. This is the part you are no longer held back by technical bottlenecks. There is a lot you can do with this tool. You can create cool videos like geography videos too. You just need to master the prompt writing for this one. And you can use this tool for anything related to motion graphics. So guys, don't sleep on this tool. AI is getting better every day as the Hera community grows. Hera is the real deal. Check it out. I promise you'll learn something new. On that note, see you on the next one.